Hi guys, my name is Anitarachi. I'm a gospel performing artist signed with Uba-Pacific Music. I just dropped an album titled God of Mercy. I want to thank God because I really went through a lot during this album and God showed His mercy. I worked on this project with my producer, Young Smith, the big monster. He mixed, mastered and produced all the songs on this album. The album is out on every social media platform. You can get it on Pandora Music, on Spotify, iTunes, on Audio Mac. You can also get it on YouTube at Uba-Pacific Music. And you can follow me, connect with me on my social media platforms, on Instagram, on Facebook at Official Anitarachi, on Twitter at Official Anitarachi. This album was packaged and is marketed and distributed by Uba-Pacific Music. For engagements and bookings, reach me at ubapacific001@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Anitarachi. Make sure you stream God of Mercy, like it, download it. Make sure you get this album any way you can. And I'm assuring you will be blessed as you do so. Thank you.